This was the last judgment I'm handing down myself.
Emva kweminyaka engamashumi amabili nesikhombisa uZondo usethatha umhlalaphansi.
As you are about to join the ranks of formers, may I ask that you don't follow the words of former President Mandela? Upon his retirement, don't call me, I will call you.
uZondo uduswe kakhulu ngegalelo lakhe lokuletha uguquko kwabesifazane abakulomkhakha.
A particular moving chapter in his legacy is the reintroduction of the Aspirant Women Judges Program in 2023.
Usomlomo wePhalamende uThoko Didiza uthi uZondo uyibekile induku ebandla.
You gave the support, and I'm sure at times when we did not know even the pain we might have caused to your loved one. But you did not say, "Aye, ambohlale ekhaya," or change the profession, but you stayed to the cause until the end. Siyabonga, Nindaba kaMthiyane.
uZondo wedlulisele izintambo zakulesi sikhundla kowesifazane wokuqala ukuba inhloko yamajaji kuleli uJustice Mandisa Maya nozoqala lomsebenzi mhla lulunye kuMandulo.